Did you know a dead pope once won a legal battle against the man who put him on trial? It's 897 AD. Pope Stephen VI has a problem with his predecessor, Pope Formosus, who died 9 months earlier. Normal people would move on. Stephen decides to dig him up. The decomposing body gets dressed in full papal robes, propped up on a throne inside a courtroom, and formally charged with crimes against the church. A live deacon is appointed to speak on the corpse's behalf. The corpse, obviously, says nothing. Stephen screams at it anyway. Guilty verdict. The robes are ripped off. 3 fingers are cut from the hand that performed ordinations. The body gets thrown in the Tiber River. And then the dead pope won. The public was so horrified by the spectacle that riots broke out across Rome. Stephen was seized by his own people, thrown in prison, and strangled in his cell. Formosus outlasted him by about a year. The dead guy won.